In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Sims 4 for free on your MacBook. This also works for PC, but it's a slightly different process. So first thing you need to do is go onto your browser and search Sims 4 download. So this top link here, Electronic Arts homepage, and then you want to scroll down and click select platform. I'm going to click EA app for Mac because I'm obviously downloading it on a MacBook, but if you want to do it on a Windows PC, you can just click this button here. So I'm going to click here and then press the download. So now it's up here downloading, and we'll just wait for that to finish. Once that's finished downloading, you can click on the file, press agree, and now I'm going to drag the app into our applications folder. Once that's done, we can go into our apps, open the EA app, put in our password for our MacBook, press allow, and now we are going to sign in with our EA account. So I'm just going to use Google. So once you've signed in, you'll be greeted with a screen here. So now I'm going to My Mac Games, and we're going to click download on Sims 4. You can click this checkbox here, update games automatically, and press next, then press download. And just like that, Sims 4 is downloading, and once it's finished, I'll be able to play it completely for free. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.